Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna take some photo of some garlic. Last week we took some photo of not last week, last time we took some photo of an egg with you seen. So I decided today to take some photo of garlic. Here I got the garlics. I mounted them one on top of another one. You got three, and here you got some peeled garlic. Right here I got the flash. I got a flash on my left. You can see here the flash is almost towards this way. It's not even going towards the garlic. So because the flash we got it in the softbox is spill a little bit, so the spilling is gonna light this over here. We also got right here a reflector. We got a small reflector. Well, not a reflector, a board. We got gold side and then we got the white side. So we're gonna use that. Now, I manually focus right here. You can see I have it in 2-second delay. The shutter speed right here is 1/200 of a second. F10, ISO 100. So let me turn off the flash first. I'm gonna take out one without the flash. We got the flash on ETTL is the Godox AD200 with the trigger right here. So let's take the first picture, and there you go. You can see in the first picture is dark, nothing. You can see it right there. It's dark. I'm going to put it on your screen. Now, I'm going to take another picture, but this time I'm going to add up... Let me add up the flash. Now the flash is on. And, like I said, the flash is on ETTL plus. Let's go. Boom. Now the flash fire. Remember, the flash is firing this way towards the camera, but the light is going to spill a little bit towards over here. And let's see what we got there. That's a good picture. I like that because the background is dark. Remember foam boards. I put foam board in the glass right here so I can have the reflection. So now I'm gonna take the white side of this board, or this little board, and put it to see the difference. And here we go. And let's see. It did a little bit. It did a little bit good. Now we're gonna do the gold side, and let's see the reflection on the gold side. And let's see that. Way better. It add up like a little warm into the picture. So now what we're gonna do is leave here and go back to the edit and take this to Lightroom and see what we come up with. Please take your time and subscribe. Leave your comment. I appreciate it. Hi guys. This is now the photo. We back to the editing. We're gonna edit this in Lightroom, and you can see the pictures here. Everyone have been reset. That means I haven't done no adjustment. It's just like it came from the camera, straight from the camera. Now, let's begin. The first picture here, you can see I was using just the flash, and is the flash was how you say let me put it here, eliminating this spot right here, so you can see the flash right here and some right here. So that was good, but it's a little bit dark right here and right here. You can see that, right? So now what I went and I got the reflector, you see me that I got, and then I put it in the side. I put it about here, and then so you can reflect some light back. So now let's go to that picture, and there you go. In this picture, you can see that it's brighter than before. When I put the reflector here, it's brighter. And it brings the picture a little bit better. You can see before, after. Before and after. Okay? So now, you can see from here and here. Let me see. I'm comparing the two pictures. Oh, sorry, not this one. It's this one and this one. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Let me go back and correct this. It's this and this. There you go. So you see, you have it right here on the screen. Before and after. You can see the light, hitting right here. This spot that was dark in this area right here is not on the one with the reflector. Now we're gonna go to the one with the turn the reflector and go and look at that. Look at the difference between that one. Now let's compare them
the one with the reflector and the one with the gold reflector. See, this is the one with the reflector. This is the gold reflector. So this bring this picture more color, more live. It looks better, way better than this picture. You see, before, look at that one. Look at those two. See, that was the original one with the flash. This is with the reflector, and this is with the reflector on the gold side. So now, let's get to down and dirty, and let's go to the editing part. So we hit reset. So I hit reset. Everything is reset. That's how it came from the camera straight. Now I'm gonna go to the lens correction. Hit put enable profile correction, remove chromatic aberration, hit auto. And this is Lightroom 5, by the way. Now I'm gonna move some spot right here and here that is a little bit distracting. Now that's good. Now I'm gonna go to the basic panel. Once I'm in the basic panel, I'm gonna bring the exposure up to 20. I'm gonna bring the highlights a bit to 10. Why not bring the shadows up a little bit? We're gonna bring it to about 10. Whites, we're gonna bring it to 5. Blacks, I'm gonna bring it down to about 10. To give the blacks, a little bit. Clarity, I'm gonna bring it down to about 21. Vibrance, I'm gonna just touch it, bring it up to 8. That looks good. Now I'm gonna get a brush right here and bring it to exposure. Yes. Now I'm gonna bring the exposure up a little bit to about let's see what I'm thinking of. Let's bring it to 20. Why not? And now what I'm gonna do is just hit this spot right here. Why not go here? I'm gonna also bring the clarity a little bit up, and let's see, I'm gonna bring clarity down. I mean, not up, down, sorry. Press O so we can see what we're doing. Clarity off, and the sharpening all the way down, to soften this, to make it a little bit soft, because this is supposed to be a little bit soft. It's garlic, it looks soft, and the paper breaks so easy. And why not put some here, right here, to soften this a little bit. Why not? Now get another brush and do the same, but this time I'm just gonna bring the clarity down. Clarity down, and just touch it. Just touch it. Oh, I bring the sharpen the exposure up in this one. My mistake. I was not trying to do that, but let's see. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna touch this again. Okay, but I'm gonna bring the to this down to 10, and bring up a little bit the clarity, and bring the sharpening up a little bit, just a little bit, not to soften it too much. You don't want to, because it's out of focus a little bit. Because like I said, sorry, oh god, my mistake. I focus here, so this is what is a little bit in focus. So anyway, that's a simple thing right there, and you can see it's a little simple. Let me see. This is the one. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this up a little bit and bring it up a little bit. And, not too much. And a little bit down, and that looks good. And come over here and correct this. I'm not gonna do a lot of editing in this one. I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's just I'm showing you something simple that you can do and do it yourself easily. I'm gonna bring this a little bit this way and unlock here and bring this up and this down just a little bit right here. That's about it. And why not a little bit touch right here. I think that the picture looks great. I don't know, something simple, and I was bored, so I wanted to do something in practice, and that's what I did. So you see before and after, something simple. Yes, I can go and do more edit, but I'm just want something simple. I don't want to make it all crazy. So yes. Anyway, please take your time, subscribe, leave your comment. I appreciate it. Put thumbs up, please. Subscribe and leave your comment. Also, I appreciate for you taking your time to watch this video and taking time out of your busy schedule. Or is very important. The to me that you took your time. The most lovely thing we got on earth that we can't bring back is time, and that you took that little moment that was very important to me, and it's special that you took that moment to watch this video. Thank you, and have a good day or good night wherever you are or whatever time you're watching this. Thank you, and see you until next time. I'm your host, Divi from Divi Photography.